On the 9th of December 1898, Swami Vivekananda founded a new mutt in Belur, close to Calcutta, along the banks of the river Ganga. It evolved as the Ramakrishna mission's headquarters. Numerous young men became his disciples. He asserted this mutt will harmonize all views of the world, as Sri Ramakrishna preached that all religions of the world had the same truth. The blazing light of universal harmony will spread through the center and flood the whole world. Swamiji was invited to visit America once again. He then traveled all over the world, delivering lectures everywhere. Swamiji suffered from acute fatigue due to all the traveling, and his health slowly started deteriorating. Upon reaching Belur Mutt, he sought solitude for meditation. On the 4th of July 1902, he meditated and attained Mahasamadhi. His face had a divine radiance. His work was done and his message was delivered to mankind. He was a true yogi, and he passed away like a yogi.